Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to use body parameter in publish REST service. So body parameters are mostly used in post, put and patch methods for creating or updating the objects on the server. So let's start. Just right click on it, go to other and click on publish REST service and give the name PRS body parameter. Click OK. Add a resource body parameter. Click OK. And here add an operation. So here select post method and leave this empty. And here we will create a new microflow. Just click on it. Go to here, select this folder and click on new. Give the name body parameter. Click OK. And now open this microflow. Here we will take a parameter as an object type. So take a parameter and select object and select book entity here. Click OK. Now save this. Go to here. Click on open this and add a parameter here. Click on this and select body. Give the name book object and in the type select object and select your book entity here. Microflow parameter select this and here you can see import mapping and click on this and select previously created import mapping here. Click OK. Click OK. Now save this and now open this again and open this and here you can see commit. Click on yes. Click OK. Click OK. Now save this and run the application. After running successfully, go to the browser and you can see this is our data. Go to MX Studio Pro. Click on this link and click on this and try it out and add some data like I'm adding Mendix 3000 and 3000. Execute this. Now go to here, refresh this. You can see our newly added data here. Now add one more data here. Mendix 30,000 and here 30,000. Click on this. Now here, refresh this. You can see here. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.